What you doing?
What's she doing?
Taking a movie.
Well, what are you doing?
I don't know. Don't you have a story to tell today?
Nope.
You just look crazy. Tell me about your outfit.
Let's see, these are my dad's shoes. These are, swimming goggles, and then this is a towel and a stick and a rock.
What do they all do?
Let's see. I think, like, this is for, because I'm part wizard, and I'm part flame glider, and I wanted to start a fire, and I got giant feet, and...
What do the giant feet do?
Help me walk. Well, they don't help me walk, really, but they're just a touch.
It's a fashion statement. I really like the goggles. Do they help you see better?
Nope. They're for swimming.
Oh, they don't give you any special powers?
You can see underwater.
That's special. So you can't think of any stories for me today, huh?
No. That may be Rock. Rock has an excellent story. That was a great story.
Okay, say goodbye.